For our next phonics lesson, we are working with the letter N. We're going to finish up this booklet today. Okay, so here we go. At the top of this page, this is the very last page, and if you look there, that's the very last page in this booklet. And I want you to make sure on the front you've written your name, because you're going to turn this into me, and if I get pages in with no booklets in with no names, then that's not good. So make sure you have your name on the front, and we're going to write our capital or uppercase N today, okay? So first we get to trace it. So come down, slant down, go up, start at the top, go down, slant down, go up, start at the top, come down, then lift your pencil, slant down, go up. So let's try that by ourselves. So start at the top, go down, lift your pencil, then slant down, go up. Start at the top, go down, then lift your pencil, slant down, go up. One more time. Start at the top, slant, go down, then slant down and go up. Okay, so that is your capital or uppercase N. Right here, the instructions say find each capital N and color that shape brown, then color the rest of the picture. So I'm going to go and find mine. You work on finding yours. Remember, I like to just put like a little circle of color like on where the N is, so that I know how I'm going to plan to color this puzzle in, okay? So I think that's it. So the entire newt, this is a newt by the way, will not be brown, but these parts of the newt will be brown. So I'm looking forward to when we do the science lesson about the newt. I mentioned to you that before, when we were working on another page in this book with the newt picture on it, that newts are an amphibian. Okay, so an amphibian is a type of species that can breathe in the water and out of the water. Okay, so frogs are an amphibian, salamanders are an amphibian, and actually that name amphibian applies to a class of vehicles. So there are some vehicles that they're amphibious vehicles, and they're like a boat on the water, but then they have wheels, and then you can drive them on land. So they borrowed the name from the species of amphibians to create a vehicle that you can drive on land and on water, right? So I'm going to finish coloring my newt, okay, and let's see. Oops, that's a mistake. Okay, so when I make a mistake like that, because that's the letter M, I'm going to have to erase a little bit of it. So I'm going to maybe color that orange just to remind myself, don't color there. I'll do the underside of my newt orange. Okay, I'll keep coloring. I'll get my brown finish. So I might need to get a new brown crayon. So if your crayons are getting used and broken like mine, because we do use them a lot, you might want to ask your parents if they can get you another box of crayons if yours are getting broken or flattened, or you can just peel the paper too. It's a little bit hard sometimes with the crayons, and you might need help to peel these, but peeling them is fine also. Okay, so I have 2 more brown spots over here that have N. Okay. So did you enjoy the rain this weekend, boys and girls? It was such a surprise. I think that we wished for rain enough that we finally got it. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm going to use gray to color the rest of my picture. Just so you know, newts live near water, right? That's part of who they are, water and land. And so if you want to color this part like blue, like he's in the water, that's fine too. I'm just going to have mine maybe sunning himself on a rock for a little bit. So I'll make the rock gray. And if you want to put the sun in the sky and color the sky above the newt, you can do that too. So newts and salamanders love rain. They live in places where there's a lot of rain. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself my exit ticket now. We'll learn more about the newt in one of our science lessons. I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. I want to show you, this goes into your go back folder for grading. I want to see your work and see how you've done on this. So make sure you put this in one of the pockets in your green folder and close that up. And you're done with this lesson today, boys and girls.